हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम लोग केमिस्ट्री क्लास 10th आईसीएससी का पेपर सॉल्व करने जा रहे हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन, मल्टीपल। अ नॉन मेटल विच रिएक्ट्स विद कंसनट्रेटेड सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड टू फॉर्म टू गैसेस विच टर्न लाइम वाटर मिल्की इज कार्बन। एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एलिमेंट्स पेयर विल फॉर्म एन आयोनिक बॉन्ड? पेयर P, elements of group 1 and group 2. Q, elements of group 14 and group 16. R, elements of group 2 and group 17. S, elements of group 15 and group 18. So the correct option is option C, R. Next, the electronic configuration of an element is 2A2. The hydroxide of this element can produce dash hydroxyl ions per molecule. So the correct option is B, 2. With respect to electrolysis of copper sulfate solution using copper electrodes, which statement is correct? Statement 1, copper metal is deposited at the negative electrode is correct. Identify the equation that shows the reaction of ethane with chlorine in presence of ultraviolet rays. So option C is correct, that is C2H6 plus Cl2 gives C2H5Cl plus HCl. A hydrocarbon X undergoes the reaction under suitable conditions as shown below. Which of compounds is unsaturated? Option B, Y only. Next, Rita added dilute hydrochloric acid to 4-metal. She recorded her observation in the table given below. While noting her observation, she made some errors. So, which observation made by Rita are correct? Observations: metal, copper, a gas was given off. This is wrong. Iron, a gas was given off. This is true. Magnesium, no gas was given off. False. Zinc, a gas was given off. So the correct option is option D, both 2 and R. An atom of X forms an ion according to the equation this. The atomic number of atom X is, then the correct option is option C, 12. Salts can be prepared by the action of dilute acid on bases, carbonates, metals, sulfides. The method which can not be used for preparation of copper salt is option 3, C. The compound that has the highest melting point amongst the following is sodium chloride. Next, assertion. Dilute sulfuric acid is a stronger electrolyte than concentrated sulfuric acid. Reason: dilute sulfuric acid has a higher concentration of mobile ions. Option C is correct. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Next, what volume of carbon dioxide is produced at HTP when 5 liters of propane is burnt completely according to the equation given below? So the correct option is 15 liter. And unsaturated hydrocarbon with 3 atoms of carbon and 6 atoms of hydrogen is propene. Option C. Next, assertion. In the electrolysis of acidified water, the volume of hydrogen liberated is twice the volume of oxygen formed. Reason: water has hydrogen and oxygen in the ratio of 1:2 by volume. Option A is correct. A is true but R is false. In the electrolysis of molten aluminum oxide for extraction of aluminum, the following reactions take place. First, aluminum 3 plus 3 electron gives aluminum neutral. Second, 2 oxygen atoms gives O2 plus 4 electrons. C plus O2 gives CO2. Al2O3 gives 2Al3 plus 3O2, the reaction that takes place at negative electrode. So the correct option is option 1. Question 2 का second part. Identify the following compounds or terms. A. A compound which reacts with water to give acetylene gas, that is calcium carbide, CaC2. Next, the gas evolved when sodium propanate is heated with soda lime. The correct answer is ethane, C2H6. C. The reddish brown precipitate formed when ferric chloride solution reacts with an alkali. The correct answer is ferric hydroxide, that is FeOH whole thrice. Next, a pair of electrons present in an atom which is not shared with any other atom during bond formation is lone pair of electron. The relative molecular mass of a substance expressed in grams is called gram molecular mass. Match the following columns. Column A. CuO plus C gives Cu plus Cu, and the correct answer is redox reaction. Next, Al3 plus 3 electron gives you neutral Al. The correct answer is reduction. Next, PbBr2 Pv2 plus 2Br1 minus. The correct option is electrolytic dissociation. 2O2 minus 2 electron gives you O2. The correct answer is oxidation. HCl gives H plus Cl minus. The correct answer is ionization. Next, complete the following sentence by choosing the correct option from brackets. The oxide that dissolves in caustic potash is ZnO due to its amphoteric nature. The reaction that takes place at the anode during the electrolysis of molten lead bromide is this. 2Br minus 2 electron gives you Br2. The volume occupied by 8 gram gas of oxygen at STP is 5.6 liters. Next, does not give hydrogen gas when it reacts with cold and very dilute nitric acid, that is copper. Next is a polar covalent bond, that is HCl. Next, give the IUPAC name for the following organic compounds. HO, that is butane 2-ol. Next, 3-methyl pentane. थैंक यू। उम्मीद है आप लोग को अच्छा लगा होगा। कमेंट में ज़रूर बताइएगा और डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर।